This is the lift and the north facing property 2 BHK on Vignana Nagar main road. This is the hall area and they have a lift and power backup. And this is your TV unit. Once you step inside the north facing property, you will get the hall and the TV unit. The 2 BHK property with the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This is the bedroom with the wardrobes. This is a brand new which is recently constructed, and this is your wash area. This is western commode. This is the attachment, and let me show you the kitchen and the common bathroom and another bedroom. This is the kitchen area. So this is cabinets. From the kitchen area you can go to utility area. This is the utility area. Extra shelves are there here. Extra storage can be done here. And this is our common washroom, western commode, geysers are there. And this is the another bedroom. And this bedroom also have wardrobes. So these are the wardrobes. So this is 25,000 rent and 50,000 is the deposit. So with a bike parking and lift, security and power backup. This is the entire 2 BHK.